and I am going to show you today how to do a single crochet. I just first want to show you the difference. So here is your chain, and then here's the single crochet. There's 3 rows of single crochet on top of 1 chain. The chain is often your base. So let's go ahead and get started. So right here I have 10 chains and then 1 additional chain that's just gives me space for turning. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to skip that first turning one and go into the next one. You see how they're a little V? You want to go right underneath one side of that V. So go under that V, yarn over, turn your hook to pull it through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2. So again, you have one loop on your hook now, go through the V, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on there, yarn over, pull through both. So go through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both. And this gets so that it's really simple to do after you've done enough of them. So what I really recommend, I'm going to do some of these slowly so that you can just do them with me. But what I really recommend is picking a really basic project like a washcloth or a scarf or a blanket, and just do a ton of these, because that's going to give you the good muscle memory as well as just kind of get it in your head so that you can wrap your brain around it. As this is one of the most basic stitches, probably, arguably the most well used. So, okay. So that is 1 row of the single crochet, and now if I was going to do a second row, I'd go ahead and do a chain and turn, and I'd skip that chain and I'd start in the top of that single crochet, going underneath the entire V this time, which is different, of course, than what we did down on the lower portion. We only went through one side of the V, but here you want to go through both unless your pattern indicates otherwise. Okay, so if you have any questions, go ahead and let us know. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.